Welcome. Follow me is a DOOGEE T10 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will need to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on the screen for me. So once you have your content prepared, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down. I think this is volume down. Nope, that's volume up. So this will be volume down. So I am holding it upside down, I guess. So anyway, so yeah, power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with a pop-up with share and edit option, and after a moment this will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find that screenshot later on in your photos or gallery, whatever we have right here. It looks like we have photos, so that's what I'm gonna open. And in here we can navigate to a library and you will find screenshots album. When you click on it, you'll be presented with just screenshots that you've captured over the time. Now for me, I have only one, and that is the one that I have captured on the video. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.